Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable VoiceOver accessibility for screen reading on iPhone. To enable this feature, you're gonna have to open Settings on your device and then navigate down to Accessibility Settings. The first setting that you will find in here is VoiceOver, where you can enable this feature by switching this toggle to the right, and then if you want to disable it, then double tap it.
VoiceOver on, VoiceOver off.
Now here you can also go through the VoiceOver tutorial by selecting this option. Then you can adjust some settings as the speaking rate, speech style, and all the other features of the VoiceOver. Now if you want to enable the quick shortcut for VoiceOver, then you're gonna have to go elsewhere. Navigate down to the very end of the accessibility menu, then select accessibility shortcuts, and then navigate down to VoiceOver option at the very bottom. And once you select it, in order to enable VoiceOver on your iPhone, you're gonna have to tap the power button or the side button on your iPhone 3 times.
VoiceOver on.
This
Settings.
way you will enable your
Back.
VoiceOver feature, and to disable it, just press the side button
VoiceOver off.
3 times again. In the VoiceOver mode, basically to read something, you're gonna have to tap on it on the screen, and if you want to select something, you're gonna have to double tap it on your screen. And so that's basically how this feature works. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.